I know you wanna follow me. Hi, it's your girl Say Dog. Good morning. Right now it's 5:30. I basically slept for 5.5 hours all the way through. I was like looking up coffee shops and stuff that I could go to prior. In America, all the coffee shops open like 5 a.m. or 6 a.m. because obviously you want to grab coffee before you go out. But Europeans don't open coffee shops that early. They all open like 9 a.m. or 8:30. But I also feel like Europeans drink coffee throughout the day. 3 p.m., even at night. They're my kind of people. They just understand. They get it. Last night, I woke up at 2 a.m. in so much pain from my period that I had to take painkillers to go to sleep. That was not fun. I didn't like that. Anyways, let's get ready for the day. I took a shower. I need to quickly get ready and go downstairs for breakfast before a guy picks us up. My recent favorite skincare product, it's from Damdam, Tokyo. It is a face oil, rice drops balancing oil serum. This thing is actually incredible. First of all, it smells really good. It's magic. Just have a tiny bit. Glow serum, obviously. Look at this, guys. Power 28. I'm just gonna... Welcome to day 3 of Bucharest. So yesterday I used these 3. It's like a cream eyeshadow, but I had so much fun with them. I used this one in the crease right here, and then I used these 2 on my lids. So I think I'm gonna do that again. I really liked that. It was cute. Do this. A little bit of this. It's so cute. Then I go with the lightest one I have, and I put this on my crease right here, on the corners of my eyes, and that's it. Blend it out. Put my earrings in. Okay, I'm ready for the day. This is my outfit for the day. I got my apple and we are on our way. Apparently every Friday and Saturday it's pedestrian day, so they can't have cars down the street.
Okay. You got to us early before the street closed.
Yeah. I know you wanna follow me. Okay, this side, maybe not. Guys, I have so many friends. Hi, love bugs. Oh my god, I'm so loved. I'm so loved. Don't fight over my attention. Don't fight over my attention. Hello everybody, we are on lunch break finally at 1 p.m.
Hi, we're on lunch break.
Say hi to my vlog. Hello. Say hello, YouTube. Hello, I am waiting. I'm up next to rehearse my scene. This is my third cup of coffee for the day. We just did our little rehearsal, and then we're gonna actually shoot. It's 3-something p.m. I'm getting a little tired, but this is gonna help me. The set looks amazing. The costumes look incredible, and I'm super excited. See you later. Hello. I asked our driver after work to drop me off at the biggest mall because it's like on the way back, and the other talent needs a charger, so I'm picking it up for her. She has a massage appointment that she needs to make it to, so she's gonna go make her appointment. So I'll grab it for her and I will bring it back for her. Okay, listen. I went to the biggest mall in Bucharest. Let me show you some of my finds, okay? Also, I bought things that I never would usually buy in America, I don't think. So that's gonna be interesting. Hi. I just went a little too ham on shopping. I really wanted to go thrifting, and I still really do want to go thrifting. The issue is the fact that thrifting usually opens around 11 a.m. in Bucharest, and most stores close at 6:30. Now, my call time in the morning is usually like 8 a.m. or even earlier. I can't make it to the thrift stores. Some of the crew, the girlies on the Romanian crew team, was telling me that there is a mall about 10 minutes away from where I'm staying on Victory Street, and it is Bucharest's like biggest mall. So I went and I Ubered back. I used Uber for the first time in Romania. That was pretty cool. It's actually pretty cheap, so I don't mind Ubering places at all. It's Saturday night and it was still cheap, so go Romanian Uber. I did buy stuff at the mall. Honestly, I don't even know what stores I went to. I didn't even look. I just went. Give me grace because it might look a little crazy. Some of the things you might be like, wait, what? Say that's so not your style. A girl could try. When in Romania. First up, oh, look at these little rings. Cute. You can either this, or you can, okay, it looks better in person, I promise you. I'm still trying to get used to my all black hair. That looks so normal. I don't look edgy. The second thing is pink. I'm gonna just do a silence for all the people that are like, what? Say dog, not pink. I know. Hold on. I had such a short time that I didn't even try any of these things on, so hopefully these things work on my body. Wait, this is cute. She's kind of a moment. I don't know how I would style this. I'm wilding. Oh my god, who is she? This is crazy. You know what I just realized? I didn't even shop that much. I bought these. These are cute. I was thinking of not buying these because I hate when footwear is excessively heavy. You know what I mean? Like sandals should never be heavy. These are heavy, but when you put it on, it's real cute. So, and it's cheap, you know? Now, apparently I bought a bikini. I don't even remember, but I guess I did. Was I drunk? I'm so confused. I don't even remember buying these. Well, I mean, I bought it in my size, so I must have... What the a pink bikini? I honestly truly think I blacked out, or I was just like so excited that I was just like... I got this little bangle thing. I think this is a moment from Pull and Bear. I said from Pull and Bear. And then, why am I buying colored things? Like, who am I? I only wear, like, no, hello? What happened to my Dickies and my hoodie? Okay, this though is cute. But I haven't tried it on, so let me try it. Wait. Who am I? Is my black hair making me do things? I'm just so lost. This is so cute. Is Europe making me do things? It might be Europe. I'm just gonna blame it on the Europe. Okay, that's all I got. That's actually not that much. I'm glad that that was it. I'm glad that that was it for me. We have a call time early tomorrow, fairly early. The driver is picking us up in the morning and I'm super hungry, but I don't feel like going out to eat, so I might order room service. Yeah, I'm gonna order room service. Hi. Okay, so let's read this. Room service menu is available 24/7. Did you find an Uber? Are you all good? Yeah. Yes, I'm back at the hotel. I'm acting like I got friends in Romania. Well, you know what? I did. I made some friends. Ooh, a night dining menu. I still don't understand a money conversion, but like we're gonna get there. You know, guys, a Caesar salad. Come on. How can you go wrong? Caesar salad, a garden salad, romaine tomato, cucumber, bell pepper, red onion, capers. I love olives, lemon, mint, oregano, olive oil. That sounds good. Grilled asparagus, butter, capers, parsley, lemon zest, and pine nuts. Count me the fuck in. Okay, I think room service. It's gotta be this. Room service. Well, they're not answering, so. I don't know what to do at this point because I've called twice and they're just not responding. Radisson Blue, Bucharest. I don't know what's going on with you. Do I try again? That's so excessive. Do they know what room is calling? That's so annoying. If they know. I'm gonna try them again. Hi. Can I just a plain Caesar salad, grilled asparagus, and no, I have a question. Can I pay cash? It's under Seira, Seira. I'm in room 5. Okay, thank you so much. Okay, bye. I did it. Yay, mission accomplished. I have to wake up early tomorrow at 8. I have to get ready by 8, which means I need to be downstairs eating breakfast by 7:20 the latest. So I'm like, do I take a shower right now and then I'm just like ready to eat? Or, okay, my hope, wow, what? I have been so tired. There's this docu-series that I'm watching on Netflix and I've started it maybe like 4 times and I have fallen asleep, not because the documentary is not good, I'm sure it is. Because I'm so tired and I've been tired, I have just zonked out in the first 30 seconds of every single episode. It's gotten a total of like 11 hours of sleep in the past 3 days or 4, I don't know. Am I in Bucharest? Am I for real? Is this real? It's here. Guys, I got my food. Do you want to see? Like, I'm winning today. I am winning. I'm winning. Say hi to the vlog.
Hello.
I just realized that I ordered room service and they gave me 2 forks thinking that there's 2 people eating this. It's just me. Awkward. This is so good. This is the best Caesar salad I've ever had in my life. I'm not even capping. Let's eat this asparagus. Okay. I wish it was a little bit more lemony, but that's just me. I got a arrabbiata pasta. Yummy. Wow. I'm in heaven. I called, food arrived at my door. The guy came in. He said, "Where do you want it?" I said the desk, so that he doesn't think I'm gonna eat this on my bed when I really am gonna eat it on my bed. Because where else would you eat room service besides eating it on your bed? And then as soon as he left, I just took the tray onto my bed and now I'm just eating on my bed. Wow. Wait, guys, this Caesar salad is so good. Okay, so if I were to rank these three, Caesar salad would be number one, then it would be the pasta, and then it would be the asparagus, hands down. But like, the lettuce is so crunchy. These crouton breads. Honestly, this is just motivation for me to work hard tomorrow. Oh, my call time is 8, but my pickup is at 7:15 because it takes 45 minutes to get there, which means I have to be downstairs and eating breakfast by 6:30, like right when they open. I don't know if I like the sound of that. I'm gonna enjoy the rest of my room service and go to bed. But I just want to say that I am so grateful for life. I'm happy to be here. Tomorrow is the real deal. We're shooting. We're like actually shooting. So I want to stay laser focused. I want to try hard. I'm gonna do my best, and I'm gonna enjoy the out of it. I am gonna have fun. That's my declaration, and I hope we can kick ass tomorrow. Good night, Bucharest, and good night, everybody in the world. I love you. Bye. Oh, I came in here to say hi. I keep nodding off.